All right, the moment that everybody's been waiting for. It's a little bit before 4 o'clock here, and I'm doing this a little bit earlier than I had anticipated because I've got somewhere to be tonight. But I didn't want to drag this on too much longer since, what do we got? We got 500 something comments, 543 comments. Now some of those are me replying to other comments, but anyway, let me show you the screen here. This kind of blew up a little bit more than I thought it would, which is awesome. So we got 543 comments. We'll type this stuff in to the filter here in just a second. But as promised, brand spanking new GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition with spare battery, SD card and SD card reader. Both the one that you can just pop into a card slot or a USB style one. So nice little kit that somebody's about to get. So let's, I already selected my comment. So let's, or my URL. So let's do this as fairly as possible here. So this is commentpicker.com/YouTube. It's a great little tool. It picks completely random comments. I've been testing it on other videos just to make sure that it's doing what I want. So we're going to paste in our URL, and then I'm going to fill in all the rest of this here in just a second. But let's have it get some comments. 200, 300, 400, 498. I don't know why that number's off a little bit. Oh, I bet I know why. Someone, yeah. There was a couple of people, that number's about correct. Yeah, that number is about correct. A couple people thought that if they commented 45 times in a row that they would get 45 entries, and I deleted 44 of their 45 entries. So the YouTube comment counter must not go down when you do that. So let's filter duplicates, and I want to include replies because a couple people replied to others with the correct tagline. So let's see what that drops it down to. This, and I was having some discussions back and forth with some other people too, so this number should go down. So 488 comments, and let's see. I love snow wheeling. So I love snow wheeling. Get comments. It does not matter if it was uppercase or lowercase. It's not case sensitive. 467. And let's just prove that. I love snow wheeling. And let's make sure that number doesn't change. It shouldn't. When I tested this earlier, it didn't. 467. All right, beautiful. So here we go. Filter duplicates. Include replies based on specific text. Remember I said you had to use this sentence anywhere in the comment. It didn't matter where. So here we go. Drum roll. Brian Thompson. All right, man. There you go. Here's your winning comment. I love snow wheeling in Utah. Greatest snow of Earth, or on Earth. And yeah, awesome, man. So Brian Thompson. Let me flip this back around here so you can see me. So throw me a comment in this video. Put your email address in it, and I have a filter set up on YouTube that catches all links, including email addresses. So nobody else will see your email address but me. But throw a comment in this video. I will email you, and we will figure out the best way to get this to you UPS, FedEx, Postal Service, whatever. So congrats. Thank you all for bumping me over 20,000. I think I'm actually at 20,300, closing in on that anyway. Yeah, 20,298 as of 4 o'clock on September 16th. So thanks a ton. I really appreciate it. And maybe when we hit 30,000 or 40,000, we'll do something like this again. So I will definitely think about it. But have a great evening. Thanks, everybody.